Welcome to Grace Fertility. If you have been advised for follicular monitoring, that means you're trying to conceive. Here are a few things which you must know about follicular monitoring. Number one, follicular monitoring क्या होता है? Follicular monitoring एक बहुत ही simple transvaginal ultrasound होता है जो कि vaginal route के through होता है. This ultrasound is done on the second or the third day of periods. बहुत important है because on second or third day we monitor four important things. Number one, that we rule out कोई follicular cyst तो नहीं. Second, we count the number of eggs कि आपके reserve eggs कितने हैं. Third, we see the size of the egg. Usually on second day the size of the egg is around 2 to 3 mm. Fourth, we see the endometrial thickness on second day. Usually बहुत कम होनी चाहिए, around 2 to 3 mm. Now this is the importance of the second day. That is why this scan always starts on the second day of periods. Now since I mentioned that if you are going through follicular monitoring, that means you are trying for a baby. For natural pregnancy to happen, the egg should grow, recruit, dominate and should mature. So to monitor this process, we do follicular monitoring. On the second day, the size of the egg is around 2 to 3 mm. फिर हम दोबारा से आपको 6th या 7th डे पे कॉल करते हैं to do the scan again and we again see the size of the egg. Generally on 6th or 7th day, it should be around 6 to 7 millimeter. The follicle grows by 1 millimeter every day. At the same time, uterus भी prepare हो रहा होता है, so we always also monitor the endometrial thickness with the help of transvaginal ultrasound. Then again, as a part of follicular monitoring scan, we again call you on 10th or 12th day to see the growth of the egg. The moment egg grows, on the 12th day it reaches around 12 to 14 mm. फिर दोबारा बुलाया जाता है till the time we confirm the egg size around 18 to 20 mm, endometrium around 7 to 8 mm. So once on the ultrasound it is confirmed that your egg has matured, your egg has reached 18 to 20 mm, uterus lining has crossed 7 mm, that is the optimal time and your fertility period starts at that time. If you are going to a doctor might prescribe you an HCG injection or spontaneously also the egg will rupture in the next 2 or 3 days. So with the help of this follicular monitoring ultrasound, we are able to tell you कि आपके exact fertile period कब आ रहा है और आपको किन दिनों में try करना चाहिए for natural pregnancy to happen. Now why is follicular monitoring done? जनरली भी बहुत लोग क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि फर्टाइल पीरियड तो एक फर्टिलिटी ऐप भी हमें बता देती है, बट जनरली दीज एप्स आर वेरी नॉन स्पेसिफिक. अब आपके पीरियड के सेकेंड डे में एग की ग्रोथ स्टार्ट हुई कि नहीं हुई, ऑप्टिमल ग्रोथ 6th डे पे या 7th डे पे आई कि नहीं आई, थर्ड आपकी एग की ग्रोथ जो होनी चाहिए थी ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर डे वो हुआ कि नहीं हुआ. नो ऐप कैन टेल यू दैट. ओनली directly monitoring the size of the egg through an ultrasound will solve this problem. That is why fertility doctors always advise to go through follicular monitoring scans done. Follicular monitoring is also very important to confirm the ovulation. Fertility apps जो होती हैं वो आपको vaguely बताती हैं कि आपको इन दिनों में try करना है और इन दिनों में आपको try नहीं करना. Follicular monitoring tells you the exact dates as we are able to confirm the ovulation on the ultrasound. Only after that we tell you to be together during that fertile period. So follicular monitoring is a very, very important investigation done by a fertility doctor. So initially in the first 3-4 months you can still track your ovulation with the help of these fertility apps. Follicular monitoring is the sure shot way to ensure that your follicle is growing, maturing, rupturing and you are ovulating. Now who can perform this follicular monitoring scan? A fertility doctor who's trained to do ultrasounds. Second, any sonologist can perform this. Now coming to cost of follicular monitoring, like I mentioned ये 4 से 6 बार अल्ट्रासाउंड होता है. आप डर रहे होंगे कि ये follicular monitoring बहुत expensive अल्ट्रासाउंड, but 4 to 6 अल्ट्रासाउंड्स मिला के it costs only around 1500 rupees. Now a lot of time people ask us कि आप एक ही महीने में 4 से 6 बार अल्ट्रासाउंड करोगे, क्या वो हमारी बॉडी के लिए सेफ है? So the answer is that ultrasound radiation doesn't cause any harm. अल्ट्रासाउंड इज एब्सोल्युटली सेफ, चाहे वो एक महीने में 2 बार हो या 3 बार हो या 4 बार. So nothing to worry about. So if you have been advised to go through follicular monitoring scan, don't hesitate. Please go ahead and maximize your chance of getting pregnant.